All right, so now we're going to disassemble the left arm. Okay, when I say right and left, it's as you're sitting in the chair. So the left arm, again, you're going to look for that groove in the middle, and you're going to pull on it. And sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's tough. You're not going to break it. I always thought that I was going to break it. When I was doing this, they're very durable. Okay, so we're going to put this aside, and then we're going to remove our top piece. This one's a lot easier because we don't have the headrest. Okay, now we're going to check our molding again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice and snug. If they're not snug, they got to be reassembled. We're also going to check our connection. On the left arm, there's only one air hose connection. So you'll want to make sure that that is completely connected and not loose. If you ever lose air pressure on your arms, it's due to these air hoses. All right, so everything looks good. We're going to now reassemble. So the first piece that you assemble is the big base. Okay? And you can always tell the JPMedics sign is right side up and in the front. Now the trick to these panels, and the 2021s are easier than the 2018 model. There's a guide here and here, and this is what goes into the guides. So you're going to gently put the piece into the guide. There's the front and the back, and then you're going to start at 12 o'clock, and you're going to push it together and listen for the pop. Okay, so that's one in. Every 6 inches, just go around the chair. Okay, you want to start here and go from the front, because the hardest piece to get in is in the back. So you want all pieces they just pop in. And see how nice and tight that seam is. That's the way it's supposed to look. Okay? The hardest one to get in is this upper and this one here. So you want to do this one first and this one. And sometimes you have to hold the chair and give it a good whack. Okay, now we're going to put our top panel on. The way you know which panel is which is this little piece, which the headrest goes into, is in the back upper portion. Okay, and there's also guides on this one. Okay, so there's guides to go in, and the guides on the 2021 are better than the older models. Again, 12 o'clock. Around counterclockwise. Every 6 inches. Voila. Look how beautiful that seam is. And it doesn't, you can't pull it off. There's no gaps. Okay, we're going to go do the other side.